welcome to English Practice Every Day. Before we continue our practice of verb-noun word groups from previous session of Practice 16, I urge you to follow few simple rules. I will pause for a few seconds. Please do read and follow them diligently. In this video, we will practice intermediate to advanced phrases to enhance our speech, and we will be a little faster and rapid in our practice. So please try to keep up with me. Let's practice together. Please speak out loud with me. Catch a train. Catch a train. Catch a train. Conceal a fact. Conceal a fact. Conceal a fact. Apply a theory. Apply a theory. Apply a theory. Resist the urge. Resist the urge. Resist the urge. Double the size. Double the size. Double the size. Complete the task. Complete the task. Complete the task. Formulate a theory. Formulate a theory. Formulate a theory. Deliver a statement. Deliver a statement. Deliver a statement. Influence a decision. Influence a decision. Influence a decision. Embrace a suggestion. Embrace a suggestion. Embrace a suggestion. Fill a cavity. Fill a cavity. Fill a cavity. Attain a goal. Attain a goal. Attain a goal. Join the staff. Join the staff. Join the staff. Carry a virus. Carry a virus. Carry a virus. Read a report. Read a report. Read a report. Join a company. Join a company. Join a company. Find a successor. Find a successor. Find a successor. Have an infection. Have an infection. Have an infection. Reach a conclusion. Reach a conclusion. Reach a conclusion. Conduct an evaluation. Conduct an evaluation. Conduct an evaluation. Please speak out loud with me. Initiate a task. Initiate a task. Initiate a task. Explore a topic. Explore a topic. Explore a topic. Conceal the truth. Conceal the truth. Conceal the truth. Engage in a conflict. Engage in a conflict. Engage in a conflict. Follow the guidance. Follow the guidance. Follow the guidance. Examine a complaint. Examine a complaint. Examine a complaint. Specify the limits of it. Specify the limits of it. Specify the limits of it. Discover a new place. Discover a new place. Discover a new place. Establish a community. Establish a community. Establish a community. Expand the boundaries. Expand the boundaries. Expand the boundaries. Scale a wall. Scale a wall. Scale a wall. Board a train. Board a train. Board a train. Make a threat. Make a threat. Make a threat. Form an opinion. Form an opinion. Form an opinion. Come to a decision. Come to a decision. Come to a decision. Validate a viewpoint. Validate a viewpoint. Validate a viewpoint. Bear the evidence of it. Bear the evidence of it. Bear the evidence of it. Provide a description of it. Provide a description of it. Provide a description of it. Catch a scent of something. Catch a scent of something. Catch a scent of something. Draw a comparison between. Draw a comparison between. Draw a comparison between. These practices are small steps towards becoming fluent in English. Very soon you will be walking and later on even running, so please continue. Attain a goal. Attain a goal. Attain a goal. Propose a bill. Propose a bill. Propose a bill. Create a scene. Create a scene. Create a scene. Organize a visit. Organize a visit. Organize a visit. Push your limits. Push your limits. Push your limits. Identify an issue. Identify an issue. Identify an issue. Fear the unfamiliar. Fear the unfamiliar. Fear the unfamiliar. Develop a hypothesis. Develop a hypothesis. Develop a hypothesis. Launch a new venture. Launch a new venture. Launch a new venture. Read the correspondence. Read the correspondence. Read the correspondence. Accomplish a goal. Accomplish a goal. Accomplish a goal. Attend a ceremony. Attend a ceremony. Attend a ceremony. Add the final details. Add the final details. Add the final details. Reject a suggestion. Reject a suggestion. Reject a suggestion. Follow the indications. Follow the indications. Follow the indications. Deliver a presentation. Deliver a presentation. Deliver a presentation. Discuss a circumstance. Discuss a circumstance. Discuss a circumstance. Appoint a new instructor. Appoint a new instructor. Appoint a new instructor. Come to an understanding. Come to an understanding. Come to an understanding. Recognize the advantages of it. Recognize the advantages of it. Recognize the advantages of it. I hope you are still with me. Please speak out loud with me. Finish a task. Finish a task. Finish a task. Join a society. Join a society. Join a society. Issue a license. Issue a license. Issue a license. Conduct a survey. Conduct a survey. Conduct a survey. Check the forecast. Check the forecast. Check the forecast. Jump ahead in line. Jump ahead in line. Jump ahead in line. Realize an objective. Realize an objective. Realize an objective. Express a deficiency of. Express a deficiency of. Express a deficiency of. Shape the development of. Shape the development of. Shape the development of. Devise a plan to accomplish it. Devise a plan to accomplish it. Devise a plan to accomplish it. Learn the truth. Learn the truth. Learn the truth. Issue a caution. Issue a caution. Issue a caution. Showcase a talent. Showcase a talent. Showcase a talent. Manage a situation. Manage a situation. Manage a situation. Alleviate a concern. Alleviate a concern. Alleviate a concern. Express a worry. Express a worry. Express a worry. Join the popular trend. Join the popular trend. Join the popular trend. Confront a circumstance. Confront a circumstance. Confront a circumstance. Receive a communication. Receive a communication. Receive a communication. Acquire a preference for it. Acquire a preference for it. Acquire a preference for it. Congratulations if you are still with me in this practice. Peruse a story. Peruse a story. Peruse a story. Recall a memory. Recall a memory. Recall a memory. Drive a nail into it. Drive a nail into it. Drive a nail into it. Undertake a study. Undertake a study. Undertake a study. Introduce a program. Introduce a program. Introduce a program. Deny the existence of it. Deny the existence of it. Deny the existence of it. Cover the expenses of it. Cover the expenses of it. Cover the expenses of it. Question the benefits of it. Question the benefits of it. Question the benefits of it. Counteract the effects of it. Counteract the effects of it. Counteract the effects of it. Uncover the root cause of it. Uncover the root cause of it. Uncover the root cause of it. Carry a signal. Carry a signal. Carry a signal. Achieve a high. Achieve a high. Achieve a high. Carry a weapon. Carry a weapon. Carry a weapon. Adopt a strategy. Adopt a strategy. Adopt a strategy. Attain the summit. Attain the summit. Attain the summit. Inspect the wiring. Inspect the wiring. Inspect the wiring. Alter the pattern of it. Alter the pattern of it. Alter the pattern of it. Reach an agreement. Reach an agreement. Reach an agreement. Establish a community. Establish a community. Establish a community. Overcome the obstacles. Overcome the obstacles. Overcome the obstacles. Voice an opinion. Voice an opinion. Voice an opinion. Overcook the meal. Overcook the meal. Overcook the meal. Release a statement. Release a statement. Release a statement. Close a loophole in it. Close a loophole in it. Close a loophole in it. Develop a liking for it. Develop a liking for it. Develop a liking for it. Express an interest in it. Express an interest in it. Express an interest in it. Pursue a teaching career. Pursue a teaching career. Pursue a teaching career. Engage in a conversation. Engage in a conversation. Engage in a conversation. Illustrate the meaning of it. Illustrate the meaning of it. Illustrate the meaning of it. Explore the feasibility of doing it. Explore the feasibility of doing it. Explore the feasibility of doing it. Please don't feel tired and don't give up. I know we are going fast because this is intermediate to advanced level. So please keep up. Create a stir. Create a stir. Create a stir. Declare a truce. Declare a truce. Declare a truce. Welcome a guest. Welcome a guest. Welcome a guest. Interpret the signs. Interpret the signs. Interpret the signs. Receive a request. Receive a request. Receive a request. Develop a taste for it. Develop a taste for it. Develop a taste for it. Break the chains of it. Break the chains of it. Break the chains of it. Cover the surface of it. Cover the surface of it. Cover the surface of it. Bear the scars of something. Bear the scars of something. Bear the scars of something. Join a religious congregation. Join a religious congregation. Join a religious congregation. I know we are fast because this is intermediate to advanced level, so please try to keep up. Face a threat. Face a threat. Face a threat. Fulfill a dream. Fulfill a dream. Fulfill a dream. Issue a directive. Issue a directive. Issue a directive. Select a location. Select a location. Select a location. Access the screen. Access the screen. Access the screen. Demonstrate a point. Demonstrate a point. Demonstrate a point. Acquire a liking for it. Acquire a liking for it. Acquire a liking for it. Heighten the risk of it. Heighten the risk of it. Heighten the risk of it. Enhance an environment. Enhance an environment. Enhance an environment. Discover a prime property. Discover a prime property. Discover a prime property. Bear a burden. Bear a burden. Bear a burden. Decide the victor. Decide the victor. Decide the victor. Discuss a subject. Discuss a subject. Discuss a subject. Alleviate a concern. Alleviate a concern. Alleviate a concern. Improve a situation. Improve a situation. Improve a situation. Determine the cause. Determine the cause. Determine the cause. Dress a shop window. Dress a shop window. Dress a shop window. Shoulder the blame for it. Shoulder the blame for it. Shoulder the blame for it. Criticize the absence of it. Criticize the absence of it. Criticize the absence of it. Identify the source of trouble. Identify the source of trouble. Identify the source of trouble. Please continue. We're almost done with this session. Break a siege. Break a siege. Break a siege. Engage in a war. Engage in a war. Engage in a war. Realize an error. Realize an error. Realize an error. Receive a threat. Receive a threat. Receive a threat. Reach a deadlock. Reach a deadlock. Reach a deadlock. Speculate the truth. Speculate the truth. Speculate the truth. Disregard a caution. Disregard a caution. Disregard a caution. Arrive at a resolution. Arrive at a resolution. Arrive at a resolution. Increase the frequency. Increase the frequency. Increase the frequency. Conduct an examination. Conduct an examination. Conduct an examination. Enact a measure. Enact a measure. Enact a measure. Soothe a concern. Soothe a concern. Soothe a concern. Spot a vulnerability. Spot a vulnerability. Spot a vulnerability. Implement a change. Implement a change. Implement a change. Read the instructions. Read the instructions. Read the instructions. Peruse the newspaper. Peruse the newspaper. Peruse the newspaper. Deliver a fatal blow to it. Deliver a fatal blow to it. Deliver a fatal blow to it. Ascertain the cause of it. Ascertain the cause of it. Ascertain the cause of it. Overcome the opposing team. Overcome the opposing team. Overcome the opposing team. Find the right words to express it. Find the right words to express it. Find the right words to express it. That's all for this session. Thank you for finishing this practice session with me. Please keep practicing with patience and discipline. And bye for now.